Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're looking for the perfect gift, I've got you covered. From romantic home essentials to cozy must-haves and thoughtful surprises, these finds are guaranteed to impress. Whether you're shopping for a partner, a friend, or even treating yourself, there's something here for everyone. And as always, all the links to these products are in the description down below. Let's get started. A stylish kettle with vintage charm and everyday convenience. Designed with a bold red finish and retro-inspired details, this electric kettle adds a pop of color to any kitchen. The automatic shutoff and water level indicator make boiling water effortless, while the removable base ensures easy pouring. Whether it's for a morning tea ritual or a cozy evening drink, this is a perfect blend of function and style. An ideal gift for someone who loves both. Never let coffee go cold again with this temperature-controlled mug. Designed to keep drinks at the perfect warmth for up to 80 minutes, this smart mug ensures every sip is just right. The companion app allows for customized heat settings, making it ideal for those who enjoy slow mornings or long work sessions. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's a thoughtful gift for any coffee or tea lover who appreciates a touch of luxury. Capture moments instantly with a creative twist. This modern take on classic instant photography brings memories to life with the press of a button. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, this camera allows for app-controlled features like custom filters, creative effects, and manual adjustments. Whether it's snapping spontaneous shots or creating unique keepsakes, this makes a perfect companion for date nights, weekend adventures, or a romantic Valentine's Day surprise. Brew coffee with a little extra love using this heartwarming French press. Designed for rich, full-bodied coffee, this set includes a charming heart-shaped scoop and an 8-cup capacity, making it perfect for sharing. The elegant pink design adds a playful and stylish touch, making every coffee moment feel a little more special. Whether it's for a cozy breakfast in bed or a relaxed morning together, this French press is both a functional and sentimental gift. Turn any night into a fondue experience with this versatile melting pot. Whether it's rich chocolate for dipping strawberries or gooey cheese for savory bites, this 3-quart pot makes indulgence easy. Designed for even heating and precise temperature control, it's perfect for entertaining or creating a romantic dessert spread at home. A fantastic way to bring people together and add a little fun to date nights, Valentine's celebrations, or special occasions. Bring the joy of camping indoors with this fun playset. Designed for little adventurers, this interactive set includes realistic pieces that let kids build their own pretend s'mores over a make-believe campfire. Perfect for imaginative play, it encourages creativity and hands-on fun while making every playtime feel like a cozy outdoor adventure. A great gift for little explorers who love storytelling and make-believe camping trips. A fragrance that makes a lasting impression. This enchanting perfume blends floral and woody notes, creating a luxurious and captivating scent. With delicate hints of rose, peony, and patchouli, it's both romantic and bold, making it an ideal signature fragrance. Whether it's a thoughtful Valentine's Day gift or an elegant everyday indulgence, this perfume is a beautiful way to celebrate love and sophistication. Immerse yourself in pure sound with these top-tier noise-canceling headphones. Designed for comfort and superior audio quality, these wireless headphones feature soft-fit synthetic leather and an advanced noise-canceling processor for a truly immersive listening experience. With up to 30 hours of battery life and crystal-clear voice calls, they're perfect for music lovers, travelers, and anyone who enjoys uninterrupted focus. A premium choice for gifting someone who values both style and high-performance audio. Relieve tension on the go with this ultra-portable massage therapy ball. Designed with quiet roll technology and 3 customizable vibration settings, this compact device helps soothe sore muscles and improve recovery. Bluetooth-enabled and app-controlled, it offers a personalized massage experience, whether at home, the gym, or while traveling. A thoughtful gift for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who deserves a little extra relaxation. Here's a versatile Dutch oven built for flavorful home-cooked meals. Crafted from heavy-duty enameled cast iron, this large-capacity pot ensures even heat distribution for slow-cooked stews, braised meats, and delicious baked dishes. The dual handles make it easy to maneuver from stove to table, while the bold red finish adds a pop of color to any kitchen. A wonderful gift for home chefs who love creating hearty, comforting meals. Next up, we have a heartfelt way to stay connected no matter the distance. This charming love note messenger lets you send sweet messages and drawings straight to a loved one's love box, making every notification feel like a tiny moment of joy. Perfect for couples, families, and long-distance relationships, it's a meaningful gift that turns simple messages into treasured keepsakes. A stand mixer that blends style with performance. This powerful tilt head mixer makes whipping up homemade treats effortless, whether you're baking bread, mixing cake batter, or kneading dough. With a generous 5-quart bowl and a pouring shield to minimize mess, it's a must-have for home bakers who love creating in the kitchen. A thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who enjoys baking from scratch. Capture and print unforgettable moments instantly. This digital instant print camera doubles as a wireless Bluetooth printer, allowing you to snap high-quality 10 photos or print pictures directly from your smartphone. With fun effects and a rotating lens, it adds a creative touch to every shot, making it perfect for memory keepers and scrapbook lovers. A fantastic gift for those who love capturing and sharing their favorite moments. Take the party anywhere with this powerful portable speaker, featuring deep bass, crisp stereo sound, and 24-hour playtime. This waterproof Bluetooth speaker is built for outdoor adventures and at-home jam sessions alike. With dual pairing capabilities and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it's the perfect companion for road trips, beach days, or cozy nights in. A great choice for music lovers who want big sound in a compact design. Small but mighty, our next speaker is an ultra-portable one, which delivers impressive sound. Designed with a built-in carabiner for easy attachment, it's perfect for on-the-go listening, whether you're hiking, biking, or relaxing by the pool. With punchy bass, waterproof durability, and up to 12 hours of playtime, it's ready for any adventure. Made in part with recycled materials, it's a great choice for eco-conscious music lovers. A creative twist on a timeless romantic gesture. These buildable Lego roses offer a unique way to express love, creating a bouquet that never wilts. With realistic petal designs and rich red hues, they add a touch of elegance to any space, making them a meaningful keepsake long after Valentine's Day. Whether for a loved one or as a DIY decor project, this set is perfect for anyone who appreciates thoughtful, hands-on gifts that last forever. A natural flush of color for a radiant, healthy glow. This lightweight cream blush blends seamlessly into the skin, giving cheeks and lips a sheer, buildable tint for a fresh, youthful look. Infused with vitamin C and vitamin E, it provides antioxidant protection, while safflower oil keeps skin nourished and hydrated. The silky texture ensures an effortless application, leaving a soft, dewy finish without feeling greasy or heavy. Free from parabens and silicones, it's the perfect addition to any clean beauty routine, delivering a natural-looking pop of color that enhances your complexion beautifully. A plush companion that's as soft as it is irresistibly adorable. This 14-inch Squishmallow features a lovable purple frog design with heart-shaped cheeks and a tiny golden crown, adding a touch of charm to any collection. Made with ultra-soft, marshmallow-like fabric, it's perfect for cuddling, decorating, or gifting to someone special. Whether for kids, collectors, or anyone who loves cozy comfort, this plush is a heartwarming way to celebrate love and friendship all year round. Print your favorite memories anytime, anywhere, instantly. This pocket-sized photo printer wirelessly connects to iOS and Android devices, allowing you to print vibrant, high-quality photos in seconds. Designed for creativity, it uses sticky-backed Zank paper, so you can turn your favorite moments into fun, personal keepsakes for scrapbooks, journals, or gift cards. The sleek blush pink design makes it a stylish and travel-friendly companion for those who love capturing life's special moments. Powerful sound, sleek design, and total freedom from wires. These true wireless noise-canceling earbuds offer rich, immersive audio with deep bass and crisp highs, perfect for music lovers on the go. Featuring active noise cancellation and a built-in microphone for crystal clear calls, they ensure an uninterrupted listening experience whether commuting, working out, or relaxing. The IPX4 sweat-resistant rating makes them durable for any activity, while seamless compatibility with Apple and Android devices keeps them versatile and user-friendly. A puzzle that's as stylish as it is satisfying. This 750-piece jigsaw features iconic artwork from Jonathan Adler, shaped like delicate petals for an extra creative challenge. Crafted with thick, sturdy pieces, it offers a rewarding experience for puzzle lovers and art enthusiasts alike. Whether enjoyed solo or with friends, it makes for a beautiful display piece once completed. A unique and thoughtful gift, perfect for those who appreciate design, relaxation, and a little brain-teasing fun. You can have a cozy fire experience in the palm of your hands. This compact tabletop fire pit brings warmth and ambiance to any setting, whether on a patio, camping trip, or backyard gathering. Designed with durable stainless steel, it burns wood or pellets efficiently, producing minimal smoke while maximizing heat. Lightweight and easy to transport, it's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere wherever you go. Whether for a seasoned camper or someone who simply enjoys a fireside glow, this mini fire pit is an unforgettable gift. A cuddly companion that's impossible to resist. This life-size pink teddy bear stands at an impressive 47 inches, making it the ultimate plush gift for baby showers, birthdays, or Valentine's Day. Made from ultra-soft materials, it's perfect for hugging, decorating, or simply adding a touch of charm to any space. Whether for kids, loved ones, or teddy bear collectors, this oversized plush delivers warmth, comfort, and a whole lot of love. Next up, a hands-on way to express creativity and love. This LEGO Art Love set transforms the joy of building into a stunning decorative piece. With intricate designs and customizable patterns, it allows for endless creativity while doubling as a stylish display for any home or office. Designed for adult builders, this set is both a relaxing pastime and a meaningful way to showcase personal expression. A thoughtful gift for art lovers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys crafting something truly unique. A sleek, intelligent way to track health and wellness. This smart ring offers advanced sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, and fitness insights in an ultra-lightweight design. With up to 8 days of battery life, it provides continuous data without daily charging, making it a seamless addition to any lifestyle. Whether for someone focused on optimizing their well-being or a tech lover intrigued by cutting-edge wearables, this smart ring is both a functional and stylish gift that keeps health insights right at their fingertips. A smart speaker that blends seamlessly into any space. This compact Alexa-powered device delivers full, immersive sound in a stylish lavender bloom finish. Whether playing music, setting reminders, or controlling smart home devices, it's a perfect everyday companion. Small yet powerful, it fits perfectly on a nightstand, kitchen counter, or office desk, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves convenience, entertainment, and a touch of modern tech. Next up, a tumbler built for all-day hydration. This 40-ounce insulated stainless steel cup keeps drinks ice-cold for hours, making it the perfect choice for travel, workouts, or long workdays. Featuring a sturdy handle, a 3-way twist lid, and a convenient straw, it's designed for effortless sipping and easy portability. The stylish peony color adds a soft, elegant touch, making it an excellent Valentine's Day gift for those who love both function and fashion. Here is a water bottle that's as stylish as it is practical. With double wall insulation, a built-in straw, and an innovative free sip spout, this 24-ounce bottle makes staying hydrated effortless. Whether at the gym, on the go, or in the office, it keeps drinks cold for hours while being comfortable to hold and easy to carry. The dreamy field colorway gives it a sleek, trendy look, making it a great pick for anyone who wants a bottle that stands out in both performance and design. An eye treatment designed for overnight magic. This brightening sleeping mask works while you rest, using a powerful blend of peony extract, collagen complex, and hydrating ingredients to depuff, smooth, and reduce dark circles. The cooling sensation adds a refreshing touch, helping tired eyes feel more awake by morning. A perfect self-care gift for those who love skincare and appreciate waking up with a radiant, well-rested look. Next up, we have a hand sanitizer that's as fun as it is effective. This hydrating formula delivers a refreshing scent with every spray, leaving hands clean without dryness or stickiness. With a sleek, travel-friendly design and up to 500 sprays per bottle, it's perfect for keeping in a bag, car, or pocket. A small but thoughtful gift for anyone who loves a little extra freshness on the go. Immerse yourself in rich, balanced sound with premium noise cancellation. These wireless over-ear headphones offer up to 24 hours of battery life, making them ideal for travel, work, or long listening sessions. The sleek, chilled lilac design adds a stylish touch, while advanced Bluetooth connectivity ensures a seamless audio experience. Whether enjoying music, podcasts, or calls, the combination of comfort and top-tier sound quality makes them a fantastic Valentine's Day gift for audiophiles. Bring the beauty of orchids into any space, no watering required. This intricate LEGO Botanicals set recreates the elegance of real flowers with stunning detail, making it a perfect home or office decoration. With adjustable stems and customizable blooms, it offers a relaxing building experience while doubling as a long-lasting floral arrangement. A unique and thoughtful Valentine's Day gift for plant lovers, creative minds, or anyone who appreciates stylish decor. Say goodbye to heat damage with a hairdryer that puts hair health first. Engineered with intelligent heat control, this professional-grade dryer prevents over-drying while enhancing shine and smoothness. Designed to protect hair from root to tip, it's a must-have for for those who style their hair frequently and want salon-quality results at home. A luxurious yet practical gift that makes every day a great hair day. Drift into deep relaxation with a sleep mask that soothes and comforts. This patented weighted mask applies gentle pressure to promote calmness, block out light, and improve sleep quality. Perfect for travel, naps, or unwinding after a long day, its soft, flexible design molds comfortably to any face. Whether for better rest or ultimate relaxation, it's an ideal gift for anyone who values a peaceful night's sleep. Add a touch of charm to any kitchen with this heart-shaped Dutch oven. Crafted from durable enameled cast iron, it delivers superior heat retention and even cooking, making it perfect for soups, stews, and slow-cooked meals. Designed for versatility, it works on all stovetops and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees. The elegant pink finish and heart-shaped design make it a beautiful statement piece, ideal for gifting on Valentine's Day or elevating everyday cooking with a little extra love. Create beautifully shaped cakes with ease using this heart-shaped fluted cake pan. Made from cast aluminum with a high-quality ceramic non-stick coating, it ensures smooth release and effortless cleanup. Free from PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, and PFTE, it offers a safe and reliable baking experience. The 9-inch size is ideal for baking treats that are not only delicious, but also beautifully detailed, making every occasion extra special. Keep hands protected in the kitchen with this stylish oven mitt set. Designed with heat-resistant materials and non-slip textured silicone grips, it ensures a secure hold on hot cookware and bakeware. The playful "That's Hot" design adds personality, making it a fun and functional gift for any home cook. Whether you're baking, grilling, or handling hot dishes, these mitts provide safety and style in equal measure. Enjoy rich, immersive sound with these wireless over-ear headphones. Featuring JBL Pure Bass technology and Bluetooth 5.3, they deliver deep, powerful audio with seamless connectivity. With up to 76 hours of battery life and a lightweight foldable design, they're perfect for all-day listening, whether at home or on the go. The cushioned ear cups provide lasting comfort, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or calls without any distractions. Long-lasting lip color meets a comfortable, hydrating formula in this satin lipstick. Designed for all-day wear, it delivers a smooth, vibrant finish that stays put while keeping lips nourished. Available in a range of flattering shades, it's a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance to their makeup routine. Its creamy texture glides on effortlessly, giving you a polished look that lasts from morning to night. Drift into deep, uninterrupted sleep with this luxurious silk sleep mask. Made from 100% mulberry silk, it features a contoured design that blocks out light while remaining gentle on the skin. The adjustable strap ensures a perfect fit, making it an essential for relaxation, travel, or everyday rest. Experience the ultimate comfort while protecting your skin and hair, making bedtime feel like a true luxury. That wraps up our list of Valentine's Day gift ideas, perfect for making this holiday extra special. If you saw something you loved, be sure to check out the links in the description down below to shop your favorites. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more great finds.